Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, let us find the area of a trapezium. Here in this section we shall find or derive the formula for area of a trapezium. All of you know what is a trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which a pair of sides are parallel to each other. So here I have taken ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to CD. But here in this case AD is perpendicular to CD. So in figure 2 I have taken the trapezium ABCD where AB is parallel to CD and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. So for these two figures, I will derive the formula for area of a trapezium separately. So let us consider for first figure. So by drawing the BE perpendicular to CD, the whole trapezium is divided into two figures. That is a rectangle ABED and a triangle BEC. So area of the trapezium ABCD is equal to area of rectangle ABED plus area of the triangle BEC. So let this is AB, ED is a rectangle, so if AB is B, then DE also B. So what is EC? This is A minus B. So what is the area of rectangle ABED? So length into breadth, that is B multiplied with H, because your height is S, that is breadth. So B multiplied with H plus the area of the triangle BEC, half base into height. So plus half into H into A minus B. So here base is A minus B. So this is equal to, so half H is common. So this is 2B. So half H is common means this will be 2B plus A minus B. So this is equal to half H into A plus B. So H is our height of the trapezium and A plus B. A is DC and B is AB, where AB is parallel to CD. So we can write it in other ways. Half into height into sum of two parallel sides. So this is the formula for area of a trapezium if the height is given and the two parallel sides are given. Formula for second figure. Here in this figure ABCD is our trapezium. So having AB is parallel to CD. So AB is B unit and CD is A unit. Here I have drawn the perpendicular. AE is perpendicular to CD and BF is also perpendicular to CD. And these are the heights of the trapezium ABCD. So these are H unit. So by drawing the heights AE and BF, the whole trapezium ABCD is divided into three figures, two triangles and one rectangle. So first is the triangle AED, then the rectangle ABFE, then another triangle BFC. So to find the area of the trapezium ABCD, we have to find the area of these three figures. So the area for second case, area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle AED plus area of rectangle ABFE plus area of triangle BFC. So here, what is the area of triangle AED? So I have taken, let DE is X unit. So EF is equal to AB as this is a rectangle, this is B unit, and let CF is Y unit. So what is the area of triangle AED? So area of trapezium is equal to first half multiplied with X multiplied with H. As the area of the triangle is half base into height plus area of rectangle ABFE. ABFE, here the length is B and height is H or breadth is H. So this is BH plus area of triangle BFC. So half Y into H. So this can be written as, if I will take half H common, then X plus 2B plus Y. So this is equal to half H into X plus B plus B plus Y. Or this can be written as half H into B plus X plus Y plus B. So this is equal to half H into B, X plus Y plus B. So this is equal to A. So half H into A plus B. So this is equal to half into height into sum of parallel sides. So in this way also the same formula we got it. So any trapezium you can take, the area formula is half multiplied with height multiplied with sum of two parallel sides of that trapezium. Let us solve some examples to find the area of a trapezium. Here in the first figure it is given that the two parallel sides of the trapezium are given 7 cm and 9 cm and the height is 3 cm. So the area of a trapezium, just we have found the formula, that is half into H into sum of parallel sides. Sum of two parallel sides. So this is equal to half, here height is 3 and sum of parallel sides, that is 7 plus 9. So this is equal to half multiplied with 3 multiplied with 16. So this is equal to 24 centimeter square. The area of this trapezium is 24 centimeter square. So let us consider the second figure. So in the second figure, the height is 6 centimeter and the two parallel sides are 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So here area is equal to half multiplied with height, that is 6 centimeter, multiplied with sum of two parallel sides, that is 5 centimeter plus 10 centimeter. So this is equal to 3 multiplied with 15 centimeter square. So this is equal to 45 centimeter square. So in this way we can find the area of a trapezium if the two parallel sides are given and the height is given. So let us solve example 1. The area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meter square. The distance between two parallel sides is 15 meter and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find the other parallel sides. So here the area of the trapezium is given. So the area of the trapezium is equal to 480 meter square. The distance between two parallel sides, that means the height of the trapezium. The distance between two parallel sides this diagram like this. So let this is the trapezium. So A, B, C, D is our trapezium. So the distance between the two parallel sides, this is 15 meter. And one of the parallel side is 20 meter. One parallel side is 20 meter. So let here AB is 20 meter. So what is the formula for area? So area of the trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. So let this is A and this is B. That means sum of two parallel sides into H into half. This is the area. So area is given, that is 480 is equal to half multiplied with height. So here height is given 15 meter and A is given 20 meter plus B. So then we shall solve for B. So this implies 480 is equal to 1 by 2 into 15 multiplied with 20 plus B. So this equal to 960 is equal to 300 plus 15B, or this implies 15B is equal to 660. So this implies B is equal to 44 meter. So by using this formula we have found that the other parallel side is 44 meter. So the other parallel side is 44 meter. So this is the answer.